Hello, hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And by defense, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is choppy right now. Gold is sideways, and the direction of the market is not clear. In the free Telegram community, I posted something in the morning. Okay, I showed this particular portion of the chart or the last 15 candles, and this was the post. Okay, gold in the last 15 days, you can see the number of, not number of candles, the candles. Okay, the candles are not very convincing. Okay, you can see that most of the candles are dojis and spinning tops. So here also you can see that most of the candles are dojis and spinning tops, and dojis and spinning tops signify indecision in the market. So if the daily chart is, let's say, doji or spinning top, it means that throughout the day, okay, we had a range bound market or a sideways market. And obviously sideways market, okay, if market stays in a range, then yes, we can expect some good opportunities if we stick to the levels. But in case of a choppy market, okay, it is really difficult to trade because the trend of the market is not clear, and obviously there's a high chance that, okay, we will be trapped. And right now this is the current condition of gold, and you can clearly see that things are not very clear to us. Trending markets are easier to trade. For example, a couple of weeks ago, months ago, when gold was in sharp uptrend, okay, we had a fantastic bull run. Okay, we had around 80-90% accuracy. Okay, but right now we can clearly see that things are tough right now, so we need to plan our trades accordingly. Before I move forward, I would like to mention one more thing here as well. Okay, if you only trade on gold, then obviously, okay, you should not be changing your loyalty. But if you want some good trades, then obviously you can look for opportunities outside gold. Because, for example, if you look at a chart of Euro USD, okay, this is the hourly chart. You can see Euro USD showed a nice bull run. Okay, GBP USD, just look at the trend of the market. Dollar is under pressure. So USD pairs, JPY pairs are showing good moves in the market. So if you want some good trades, you can look for opportunities outside gold as well. But if you only trade on gold, then yeah, God bless you. Yesterday when things were a little crazy, okay, I posted something in the community that, okay, 4200 is a psychological support, and price action support was from 4200 to 4196. And we can see to be honest, I was not expecting the level to work as a strong support. Okay, it became a very strong support, and market did not break it. Okay, I was really surprised in the morning. But in the morning, okay, we also saw market going for some SL hunting. Why? Because yesterday when market took support around 42004195 area, okay, it did many times, 4 to 5 times, as a result of which, okay, the level became common. Okay, when more and more retail traders started buying around this area, okay, market went for some SL hunting. As I always say, my dear friends, market do not like common stuff, common levels. So whenever a level becomes too common, there's always a possibility of SL hunting or liquidity sweep. So here also, okay, the same thing happened in the morning. So if you have any ongoing buy, you can hold your buy position, because after the SL hunting, okay, I feel that there is a possibility of market going up. Do I have any buy position? No, I do not have any buy position. To be honest, I don't have any intention also, okay, today to trade on gold. Okay, until unless I get some good opportunity, I will be looking for opportunities on GBP, JPY, and GBP USD today. But today, okay, but this is the video of gold. Okay, so right now, if you have any buy, you can hold your buy on gold with your stop loss below 87. Okay, you can put your stop loss below 87 and you can hold your buy position. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then I think you will get a selling opportunity below 87, 4187. Let me write it down. Okay, below this red line here, there's a possibility that market may go below it. So if you see that there is a sudden drop in the market, especially during the European session, we can look for a sell below 4187. You can see we have another black line here, which is around 4178. Yeah, 4178. Market may take support around 4178. Keep in mind, 4178 is not a strong support where a market can change the trend of the market. No, 4178 is a level where you can expect a bounce of 60 to 80 pips only. After the bounce, we may see the market is going down again. So if you see that after taking support, temporarily support around 4178, if you see market going below 4178, we can go for sell below 4178 as well. Yes, okay, because 4178 is a minor level that can give us a temporary bounce. Keep in mind, if market takes support, then only hit the buy button. Do not expect trend reversal, just expect 60 to 80 pips initially. Okay, but as of now, we can see that selling pressure is there in the market. So if market breaks 4187, we can look for a sell below it. And next support is around 4178, but it's a minor support. We can expect one bounce of 60-80 pips. After that, there's a high chance market will break it if the selling continues. If it does, we can look for a sell below 4178 as well. Where is the support then? The only logical support on the chart of gold is around 4170 to 4165. This is the only logical support. If market takes support, we can look for a buy position. But gold, this is gold. Gold has been crazy. Nobody can predict gold except gold. Okay, so if gold takes support, then only hit the buy button. Okay, I have plans to buy around 417065. Let's see. And if I see market going below 87 or 78 with big red candle, then only I will sell. Otherwise, I will personally avoid it, because to be honest, see, I prefer to take positions. Yes, I do. Okay, watch gold all the time, but okay, I'm more inclined towards the trades. Okay, that are comfortable. Okay. Right now, I'm not very comfortable with the chart of gold. Anyways, if market goes up from here, so opportunities that we discussed are for the gold going down. If market goes up from here, then we can look for a sell around 42124, and then 423943. I think these are the two levels where we can expect some selling. Okay, as a day trader, if you see the market is showing prices action from above, we can look for a sell opportunity around these two areas of the market. Why are we considering? Because of previous strong price action around this area. If market reverses, we can look for a sell opportunity. Okay, and keep in mind, this chart is choppy. We do not have any clear direction. Nobody knows whether gold will be going up or down from this particular portion of the market, because for the last couple of days the trend of the market is not very clear to us. So we are just looking for opportunities around the levels that we understand. Okay, if I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. We all are students of the market. We all need to learn. And we do have some news coming up in the US session. Not a major event, but still market may show some crazy moves. If you see the market, is not behaving expert or expectation, okay, I'll update in the Telegram community. So if you're still not a part of the Telegram community, feel free to join, because if anything crazy happens, okay, you will get an update there, because I won't be able to post any new videos. So feel free to join the community. The link will be in the description. Be careful, lots of scams going on in my name. Only join the group with the link in the description. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.